Hi, I'm Paul Merriman and welcome to the interview series of Ask Paul Money Made Easy. Today we're going to have a chat with Peter Ashe-Browne. Peter is a health insurance expert and we're going to have a chat around private health insurance. Peter, we've got a few questions emailed into us from our viewers, and I suppose before we get into those, I think we should have a chat maybe about why people need private health insurance. That's a question I get asked all the time. I presume you're the same.
Absolutely,
yeah. I suppose for people that are looking for private health insurance, if you don't have it, the easiest way to explain why you need it: if you have kind of an ailment or you need a surgery or an operation, you might have to wait 18 months on the public health service. Private health insurance will probably get you sorted in 4 weeks. So that's the kind of the difference it can make to your life if you have private health insurance, and especially for children, it makes a big difference. I suppose you definitely agree with that, wouldn't you? I'll put you on the spot. Yes. You have to agree. Yes. I suppose we have a few questions coming in, Peter, so I might just go through these quickly with you. The first question we have on today is from Mary. Mary says, "Hi Paul, I'm a single mum with 2 young children. I don't think I have enough to cover myself, but I want the 2 kids covered. Can you give me any advice?" So yeah, there's the first question, Peter. What would you think?
Okay, yeah, had this a couple of times. Problem is, it has to be an adult on the plan, on the policy.
Okay.
So Mary's going to have to be on the policy.
So you can't just insure children, you need to have an adult on the contract?
No,
okay.
Exactly. Now, it's not as expensive as she might think. She could get a very basic plan for about 440 odd.
Okay.
The kids for about 160 each. So
okay.
we're up to about nearly 800.
800 quid, yeah.
But we're looking at probably about €15 a week.
Okay,
you know?
Very good. I suppose, Mary, that's put it in the context, €15 a week to have yourself and the 2 children on a health insurance plan, probably basic level, but again, it's really, really good value and probably give you that peace of mind you're looking for, especially with the children, and obviously you're on the policy as well, which is probably a Brucey bonus for you. I suppose you consider this €15 a week, few cups of coffee, again, to have 3 people on a plan is really good value for money in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Cheers for that. Thanks very much, Peter. The next one we have, one second there, is from David. David is a company director and he has a wife and 3 kids, and he wants to know the best way to pay his premium, company or private bank account. Makes no odds, really, does it, I suppose?
It really doesn't. It's a simple process, having the company pay as opposed to an individual pay. There's no big difficulty there. He needs to talk to his accountant though, because depending on how the company is structured, there will be a benefit in kind implication, and he needs to understand that before he goes down that road. Okay,
very good, very good. So again, big one there, BIK, speak to your accountant, can be paid through either personal or private bank, but or business bank. Okay, thanks very much for that one, Peter. And the next one we have, the last one, is from another Peter. And Peter just says that he has an Aviva health insurance. He had a Aviva health insurance plan, and Aviva now going on the market. Where does that leave him? Well, that's not that quite straightforward.
Okay.
Fire away that one.
Right. Well, that's what's happened is Irish Life has bought the Aviva Health business, and they've also bought Glow Health. So, and they've created Irish Life Health. So we now have 3 providers as against 4. Okay. But you know, the whole process has been very smooth. Irish Life Health will contact him at renewal time and inform him, you know, that they're the new owners and what his options are. Okay. So you shouldn't panic. Let things run, and they will be in touch in due course.
So Aviva haven't really left, Peter, the market. They've just been bought over by Irish Life. If you haven't heard from Irish Life, maybe get in contact with Irish Life Health and have a chat with them. But don't cancel your Aviva health insurance plan or that health insurance contract, because it's still in place. It's just a different company now owns Aviva. So there's a bit of advice for you. Peter, look, before you go, just I'll put you on the spot now, but give me maybe one tip that you might give the people that are out there watching this video and thought about health insurance loads of time, haven't done anything yet, haven't got up and made a decision to purchase a plan.
Sure.
What would you say to them?
Okay, like basically any insurance product, I'd suggest go to an independent advisor. Don't go to somebody who's tied to a particular company. Get someone who can give you the whole view across the marketplace. So find an independent advisor, and they'll be able to steer you right.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, that's great advice. Peter, thanks very much for coming
Pleasure,
in today.
Paul.
Really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Folks, thanks for watching. Any questions, comment below or send me a PM. Thanks and have a good day.